the center of this cue ball to the right edge of that object ball at moderate speed. Goes in. Okay, I'm aiming the center of this cue ball to the right edge of that object ball at moderate speed. Goes in. Not an easy shot. It's a very hard shot, but it can be easy depending on that. So I'm going to hit the center of the cue ball straight through to the right edge of the 8 ball. To get this right back to me. Just like that. Try it again. On a standard table, there's 2 ball widths and a quarter, which this is not. Anyway, send it to edge. There you go. And 3 out of 4 is not bad. Let's make one more. Let's just say the ball's over, say the ball's straight. It's straight across, okay? Center to edge, same thing. Center the cue ball to the edge of the center of this cue ball goes and should hit the edge of the 8 ball, but that's ready. Alright, I missed it, so this is my practice. So again, same thing, center to edge. And this isn't center to edge CTE. Just don't confuse that with that. Perfect. Let's put it in a different area again. Right here. And put the cue ball up here. Just to show you this works. Center to edge. Sorry, don't let me. It's not center to edge. It is. It's center of this cue ball to the edge of that object ball to get it back here. Perfect. No scratch. And maybe one more. I'll put now. Yeah, I'll put it way up here. Center to edge. That was going. All right, so that's just to show you the system does work. It's pretty good.